Hey, Teacher.Allyson, hello, welcome back to my classroom, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I bring you real life chats about topics relating to online ESL teachers and also hiring tips for VIPKid. And today I am here with you for the walkthrough of level 2 and 3 mock class. Now this is where the bulk of the students are, so a lot of people choose to get certified in this level first. I've got my computer next to me. I've got the slides up. So we are gonna walk slide by slide. I cannot show you the slides. They're not my intellectual property. But if you are a prospective hire and you are about to start your mock class, which is why you're here, then pull up another screen, pull up your phone, pull up your computer, pull up your tablet and follow along. I paused it when I was watching mine. I watched a walkthrough and I kept pausing it, switching over on my phone. It's a pain in the neck. So don't do what I did. Pull up another screen. Before we get started, I am throwing up some tips for your mock class prep. So here you see them. Take a screenshot. I know you're on your phone. If you're on a new Apple phone, it's the volume up and the lock button. I had to figure that one out. If you're on an older version of an Apple phone, it's that center button and the lock button. Sorry if you have Android, I didn't Google it. But you can Google it. It's out there, I'm sure. And if you're on your computer, I know your phone's next to you, pull it up, take a picture with your phone. This is important information, okay? So before I want to get started, I want to let you know that this mock determines your base pay. So your base pay is the minimum you get paid for each 25-minute class. That does not include your incentives. So you want to do as well as possible on this mock lesson, okay? Don't stress. If you don't pass it the first time, you have unlimited chances. It's a chance to practice. So when you go to your first class with your real student, it's not so nerve-wracking, okay? So without any further ado, here we are, VIPKid level 2 and 3, lesson A. All right, here we go. My friends and I and my toys. You are gonna want some props. And at least 3, okay? I'm gonna show you. So we are on slide number 4 here in their PowerPoint. And it says, my friends and I. Read your teacher tip. I'm not going to read it out loud because, like I said, not my intellectual property. But your first slide is always your report slide. Level 2, Unit 5 was 7. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to talk to the screen like you're a student. And I know I hate it when people do that. But it's the best way for you to figure out what I do as a teacher. Okay? Hello, Bow Bow. Hello. My name is Teacher.Allyson. I am so happy to see you. At this point, they should say hello. They should say, I'm happy to see you too. Kind of depends on how high they are. What is your name? They should say, my name is Bow Bow, Bow Bow. Always, always, always have them talk in complete sentences. At this point in their VIPKid journey, they should be in complete sentences. Let's say they just say Bow Bow. My name is Bow Bow. Name is Bow Bow. Good job, Bow Bow. How old are you? 7. I am 7. I am 7. Wow, 7 years old. Wow. If they're really high, how are you? I am fine. Good. I am great. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Let's go. Okay, click over the slide. Bow Bow, when you do a great job, you can drag and drop. If you have a mouse, you can also show with your mouse, drag and drop. Mine's in a box somewhere. So the student's going to drag the toy to the shopping cart. You can't drag it on your practice screen. It's not going to be until you get in there. Okay, your first word is ball. You're going to circle that on the screen. Say, ball. Ball. Good. Ball. Ball. Good job. Okay, we're gonna go down to the sentence on the bottom. She plays with a ball. She plays with a ball. Good job, Bow Bow. She plays with a ball. She plays with a ball. Good job. High five. You get a star. At this point, you could click on the star and they're going to get a star and make a big deal because they can buy stuff out of it. Next slide. Circle the picture of the boy. What does he play with? Ball. Good, yes. He plays with a ball. He plays with a ball. Good job, excellent. What does she play with? She plays with a ball, yes. 2 thumbs, yes, yes, yes. Next slide. Oh, I gotta get my other prop. Okay, I'm back. My bad, it was on the floor, it fell. All right, this is another drag and drop. Circle one of the boys. I'm gonna circle the one, the red. Bow Bow, what does he play with? They're gonna drag one of the balls. Let's say they drag the soccer ball. What kind of ball is that, Bow Bow? Soccer ball. Let's say they pronounce it wrong. Yes, soccer ball. Soccer ball, good. Notice that was a little bit of extension because that wasn't on the screen. Gauge your student onto what kind of extension you can do. You can also ask what color is his outfit. It's all red. Red. You do need extensions, so plan for those. Circle the next boy. What does he play with? Now this might be a new word in the lesson, so be ready. I don't know, teacher. I know it in Chinese, but I don't know it in English. Okay. Kite. Yes, kite. Good job. What does he play with? He plays with a kite. Yes, good job. And Bow Bow, circle this last one. What does he, if you need a prop, bring up your he. This is my mic. What does he play with? Drags ball. He plays with a ball. Great job, Bow Bow. Yes. Flip back to the reward. Bow Bow. Drag and drop a toy. Good job. All right, here's another vocabulary word. Circle, throw. 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 Good job. Another prop. Throw. We're gonna pretend that it just hit me in the face. Throw. Throw. Good job. Throw. Throw. Good job, Bow Bow. Another star. Try to do all 5. Okay, so whatever pace you need. In the actual lesson, they say every 5 minutes give a star, but you won't have that much time on your mock, so still try to give all 5. Good job, Bow Bow. She throws. She throws. Good job. She throws. She throws. Good job, Bow Bow. My ball just fell on the floor. Let me grab another one. I'll throw. Circle the next one. They throw. They throw. I'm going to try to do it. I didn't do this during my lesson. You don't have to, but they throw. They throw. Good job. Always twice, okay? Notice I've had them repeat at least twice, if not more. He throws. He throws. Good job. Who throws? Circle, Bow Bow. Who throws? Let's say he circles the middle one. Bow Bow, does he throw? No. Who throws? Now they're gonna circle the guy with the football. Yes, Bow Bow, he throws. He throws. Great job. High five. Yes, good job. Moving on, we have throw and throws. Circle, throw. Throw. Underline, make it different. Circle, throws. Throws. Good job. Drag and drop, Bow Bow. Circle your first sentence. She throws. She throws. Yes, great job. Do the next one. I throws. Drag and drop. I throw. Yes, good job. He throws. Yes, great job, Bow Bow. You have 3 stars. Way to go. Flip back to the reward slide. Drag and drop, Bow Bow. Let them drag and drop a couple of balls. Good job. Couple of toys. Okay, so fun tip on phonics. I did not see this in my research, so I'm going to tell you now. That sound in the middle is a new sound, so repeat it twice. I did not do that. My mock and my mentor said something, okay? Ip. Ip. Good. Ip. Ip. Good. Z. Ip. Zip. Zip. Good. Try to get them to do the TPR with you. Z. Come on, Bow Bow. Z. Ip. Ip. Zip. Z. Ip. Zip. Good job, Bow Bow. Go on through the rest of them. Ip. Rip. And they're doing it with their hands now. Rip. Rip. Yes. Good job. S. Ip. Zip. S. Ip. Zip. Yes. Ip. Hip. Ip. Hip. Yes. Good job. Bow Bow. Drag and drop. Yes. Great job. Claps for Bow Bow. Bow Bow. We're on the free talk slide now. Bow Bow. What do you do with a ball? There's no right or wrong answer. If they can do it on their own, then say, I play with a ball. I throw a ball. I kick a ball. If they know it, that's fine. If they don't, circle someone. What is he doing with a ball? He's getting ready to catch it. They can say catch. They can say throw. Make sure it's a complete sentence, whatever they say. I throw a ball. I throw a ball. They should be able to do this sentence by the end of this lesson. Yes, Bow Bow, great job. I throw a ball. What do you do? I throw a ball. Good job, Bow Bow. Flip back to that reward slide. Drag and drop. Good job. Moving on. We're at goodbye. Bow Bow, you did such a good job today. You have, last star, 5 stars. Yes, Bow Bow. Good job. I am so sad to go. I will see you later, okay? Okay. Bye, Bow Bow. Bye, teacher. Okay, guys, that is really about it. So, as you're preparing, you need at least 3 props for this lesson. I used a kite. I used a ball. I used puppets. I used mic. Use what you have in your house. I used a whiteboard, and that counted. I used some old Barbies for my he and she, and that counted. That was 2. He and she is not 1. And I used one of my son's balls, and that was 3. And I also drew the kite. I don't have a kite, you guys. I drew it, and it's fine. It's acceptable. It's a 2D prop. It's not the same, but how many of us have kites? So it's fine. Make sure you have at least 3. If you want to use your whiteboard for the phonics blends, you can do that. If you have magnetic letters to help, that works too. Use what you got. Don't go out and buy a whole bunch if you don't want to. The dollar store or the Target dollar spot is great. Otherwise, basically how my whole background is decorated is Target dollar spot. So, you know, kudos to Target Dollar Spot. So, yeah, that's it for option A for level 2 and 3 VIPKid Mock Class lesson. If you would like to use me as your referral, I cannot stress this enough. Please email me when you use my code, because otherwise I don't have any chance of getting in contact with you. And my referrals do better if I have contact with them. I can send you videos. I can send you resources. I can just talk you through it. I can give you a pre-mock class with you and me. So email me. My email is gonna be in the description box. I'll probably change it soon. I don't want it stuck on the screen. Also, my VIPKid referral code is ALLYS0124. Drop that in. I'm gonna get notified that you used it, and I can follow you step by step in the process. Otherwise, yeah, practice, practice, practice. Like I said, this determines your base pay, and you cannot even hope for a raise for a year. And then there's these other requirements you have to go through, okay? Capiche? Any questions, hit me in the description box. Next video, I'm gonna come at you with part B, and then we will move on to levels 4, to the upper level mock class, which I didn't even do, and I totally suggest you do. So don't be nervous. Anytime you go in there, think of it as a time to practice. Not a time to fail, not a time to absolutely have to pass, but a time to practice. This is so worth it, guys, and I love it, and I love doing it, and I love you all, which is why I come to you and make these videos. And yeah, I think that's it. So until next video, I will see you next time. Goodbye.